O.
Mae yna newid eto.
Rhwng yr ail a'r trydydd. Mae'r cynt... Ydy cynt yn symud?
Yndi yn dod lawr i'r drydydd safle. Felly dipyn o'r ddrama fan hyn yn...
Achos mi oedd hi dan dimlad yn doedd pan dath i'r safle cynta.
Oedd.
Wrth reswm. Mae yna newidiaeth mowr di bod fan hyn.
Oes, mae'n debyg.
Trafod yn parhau rhwng Judith Balding a Tracy Bailey sydd wedi bod yn edrych ar y cydymffurfiaeth trwy liged Judith.
A dipyn o drafodaeth rhwng rheini sy'n marchogaeth hefyd. Wel, ydyn nhw'n hapus?
Oedi'r pwyllgor wedi penderfynu?
Wel, mae'n debyg bod y rhosglymau yn cael ei gyflwyno, Heledd.
Mae'n derfynol.
Keen Eye, yn berchnogaeth Rhondda Warner King, sydd yn ennill y dosbarth yma i'r ceffylau wedi ailhyfforddi o Ceffylau Rasio yw'r adran.
Mae'r llun hynod bwysig. Yn ail wedyn ni, Polly Deimos yn eiddo i Katie Llywelyn. A Sarah Llywelyn yn berchen ar The Gay Gardener. Oedd yn y safle cynta am gyfnod ond bellach yn y trydydd.
Yndi.
Felly mae yna dipyn o bendilio. Pwyso y mesur wedi bod, ond fe ddath y newyddion yma. A llongyfarchiadau mowr iawn i Keen Eye am fynd ar wobr gynta gyda'r adran yma, yr Ailhyfforddi Ceffylau Rasio.
And that concludes the judges in class 131 down the members' centre end of the main race. So our competitors will take the turn of the ring now on shore as the judges discuss the outcomes. Felly dosbarth UTE dod at ganlyniad o blaen o dan yr aelodau gyda ni yma bod yna yn y bigedd. And in the Retraining of Racehorses class 356, we now have a result. And in first place is 2512 from the Warner King and the Keen Eye, with the riding number being Rhondda Warner King. And in second place we have 2503, Katie Llywelyn with Polly Danos, and the rider is Katie Llywelyn.
Yeah.
And in third place, 2504, Sarah Llywelyn with the Gay Gardener, and ridden by Sophie Llywelyn. And fourth place, 2502, Mary Jones with Becca Holina, and ridden by Mary Jones. In fifth place, 2511, Jane and Martin Wanless with Cracking Bind, and ridden by Alice Pendley. And in sixth place, 2494.
Ar ôl tipyn o bwyso a mesur, mae'r penderfyniad yn derfynol. A does dim amheuaeth bellach, Keen Eye sy'n cipio'r wobr gynta. A llongyfarchiadau mowr iawn i'r perchenog Rhondda Warner King.
So, then ni'n croesawu y gwartheg Rivers Infraveili, sef Mr Chris Penny.
first time competing here?
Yes, this is my first time competing here at the Royal Welsh. I come as a spectator every year, but this is my first time competing here, so really happy.
First time competing? Dim probs. Well, many congratulations. You have just won the first class here at the Royal Welsh 2026. You're beaming from ear to ear. Can you describe it in words?
I think I'm still in shock, to be honest. I'm really, really happy with how we went. But yeah, just really, really happy and looking forward to seeing what else the day brings. So yeah.
Is this the only horse you've got competing here, or have you brought a few?
No, this is my only horse that we've got here this week, yeah.
Well, you've come in. First time competing here?
Yes, first time competing here, yeah.
And leaving with a red rosette. I think you've done quite well. Many congratulations and good luck with the rest of your day.
Thank you very much, thank you.
Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.